Bought this little power supply as a DIY project. As you can see, I ran into a little bit of problems, so I put the diode on the back. Because it didn't come with all the diodes needed, I had to purchase a diode. But anyway, it doesn't work. I mean, it works, but it doesn't work. The variable voltage. Variable voltage output. This is just for testing. I got no output. No output. And I don't have a multimeter, so I got to wait till somebody comes by with a multimeter so I can test. Because I scavenged the diodes. They were on something else. Right? One there. There's one there. I scavenged those. So they might be fucked. So I got to wait for a meter to... because I followed the current. I followed the current, you know. There's your switch, right? Let me get something pointy. So there's your two lead switch, and then your switch leg runs to this post, the positive post, okay? So there's the other side of the switch. There's your little tracer. Right, let me get this little. There's the tracer right there, and then it jumps over here with a 104 cap, not a cap. What the fuck are they called? Not the resistor. It's a little puffer there. That one right there in the middle of the screen. See it right there? 104 capacitor. So it jumps there, pretty sure, with a capacitor. So I've gone back all the way down. It seems that the main track here, the main positive, I have a feeling this resistor right here is fucked, because it's not allowing any voltage over to this bar, this tracer. And that's where everything starts coming off of. You see, that's your power, the plug-in. So on the other side of this, like this, you put that like that. Here, like this. This is the wall, the invisible wall. Goes around the resistor and in front of the screw, or behind the screw. And then you've got your hardware that jumps. So there's no electricity passing this diode. I know they're not supposed to let electricity pass, but I don't think this one's doing its right job. So I don't know. Like I said, I gotta wait for my buddy to come over with the multimeter. But I have no power coming out of this. It makes power. You can get the 12 volts right off the transistor. I mean, the way I was testing this was, I would stick a lead into the negative. All I had was a 12 volt light, so you can see. So we got power coming off. We don't have to worry, it's not blown. Okay, so, but everything else over here is all fucking dead. So it's one of these diodes that's burnt. Because I pulled it out of this, look, I scavenged the diodes out of this. A blown power supply. See, all the diodes are right there. There was 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. So I grabbed them. But they might be fucked because this power supply was fucked. So, wait till somebody comes over with a multimeter.